Start today's session. Today I'll be um, today it's about it's a very exciting topic. It's Gen AI development, and I would request everybody to um, after this session just try to implement because all these most of it is free. You have to just set it up and then try yourself. That way you can retain for a long time and then you can build on it. So I request everybody to spend some time on it later. So what today I am covering is Gen AI development, or you could call it a call rapid development or next gen development. So why it is next gen or rapid development? Usually we take a lot of time to develop any product, right? Product or services. Um, we can split development into two categories. One is traditional and one is the future, the current one, which so traditional development, let me walk you through what is traditional development. In traditional development, uh, we just the normal, there will be an editor. You try to use the editor, uh, write your code, and then you need to set up a server. You need to learn a lot of things, HTML, various technology stacks. Uh, so the point I'm trying to make is from idea to product, the time taken is almost more than 6 to 7 months. So from idea to developing a product, the timeline is very huge. So this has been changed recently by a technology called no code or low code development methodology. So initially, the time which we used to take for 6 to 7 months, now it could be reduced to very less. And so, I mean, why we were taking a lot of time earlier, like 6 to 7 months, was um, Gupta sir, is it being recorded? Yeah, I see it is recording. Okay, cool. So, no, sorry, I lost the chain of thoughts. Mm. So traditionally, it used to take a lot of time, but with this technology stack, the development will be much faster. And then not only that, we can focus um, more on more complicated or more challenging things. Um, I just also want to let you know that this will not take any developer's job because earlier, whenever we used to do development, there used to be a lot of noise. Like we need to learn small things. We need to do set up few things. All these things are getting automated for us to give more a quality work, I would say, than rather monotonous things, which has been taken care by these GenAI tools. So to sum it up, today's topic I'm trying to cover is GenAI development, which is a rapid development. We'll try to develop application um, as sooner as possible with these technology stacks. And what is this technology stack which I'm talking about? Um, I mentioned earlier there is something called no code or low code tools. So in fact, earlier I had taken one session that was on which was the tool?
Bolt
Yeah,
AI.
yeah, Bolt AI. Awesome, good.
Yeah.
Um, so yeah, this is also similar tool which is based on low code. When I say low code, What it is doing is it is just a interface for an editor. So earlier in order to do development, we write a code, right? We type it. But by integrating generative AI, that is a kind of chatbot to the editors, we can talk to the editors or type in natural language and get the coding or the get the coding done. So that is what we are trying to do. It is no code development or low code development. So my plan for today is it's going to be more of a practical session where we'll try to develop a small. My plan is to develop Indrasol website using this tool, using this technology stack. So let us see how much we can do. I would like to uh, everybody to focus on what is the technology stack we will be using, and then if possible, try to set this up and then uh, build Indrasol website. That would be your uh, task, I would say, to understand this better. So with that, yeah, let me start with the development of Indrasol website using um, using GenAI development methodology. Bear with me. I mean, I'll be doing everything live, so uh, I could I may not be uh, very fluent. So let me. So I hope you're able to see my screen. Is everybody able to see the screen?
Yeah, we
Okay,
can
cool.
see.
Okay, is it visible? So just follow same method. It's easy. So first I will create a folder, dev stack or dev tools. I will call it as GenAI dev stack. Okay. So first thing is I would go with Lovable. Lovable would be my first one. So this is save this. Apparently, if you guys do also, it is fine. I mean, it would be great for you. Um, Anyways, I'll be going very slow. So Lovable is the first. So this is a wrapper on top of editor. Uh, so this tool. So sign up. You need a GitHub account. Better to do with GitHub account. So yeah, let's create a GitHub account first. GitHub. Sign up. Okay. Okay, first step is to create please solve visual puzzle. Okay. Okay. So I have my two tools ready. One is GitHub. I'll add it to. So Lovable is one. It is an editor um, and a wrapper on editor actually. And this is all our code will reside in GitHub. Then what else I need? There is one more tool called Superbase, which I'll do it later, or yeah, let me do that later. Okay, we are good here. Now sign up with GitHub. So you just need to, since I've already signed up with GitHub, you just need to authorize GPT engineer. Automatically, it will take care of everything. So now have logged in. So this is how the application looks. What it'll do is it'll try to create a repository over here, or do I need to create repository and link it? Yeah, we'll come to that later. So now let's build a small application. So to build a, so all you need to do is you just keep prompting it, just like how you work with ChatGPT, right? You ask something. Similarly, here you can ask, can you please create a website? So it is very important. You need to provide more details for it to do a good job out of it. For Indrasol website, usually what we can do is we can just create go to ChatGPT and then create a prompt for lovable.dev to create Indrasol website. Indrasol is um, just go to Indrasol. Indrasol, what services? Indrasol technology and concept to help business to prosper. Just had they are into they are into they are into EPM managed services. They are into EPM managed services, cloud services, and cyber security services. Okay, create a prompt for Lovable Data to create Indrasol website, customer facing website, Indrasol, okay. Indrasol provides technology and consulting services to help businesses to prosper. They are into EPM managed services, cloud services, and cybersecurity services. So, yeah. So once I enter, so this will create a prompt, create a modern, professional, and engaging customer-facing website for Indrasol, a company specialized in technology. Those are the services. The design should reflect trust, innovation, and professionalism. Incorporate following things. Yeah, make overall experience intuitive, engaging. I don't see. Can also add. Also make the website SEO optimized. SEO and GEO optimized. So GEO is GenAI optimization. Optimized and it should work even in mobile phones. So it'll update the prompt. Okay, so all you need to do is take this one and drop it in copy, drop it in Lovable. So here, just drop it. So create a modern, professional, engaging, customer-facing website for Indrasol, a company specialized in technology. Da, 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 da. They are into EPM, CSEO, EPM, cloud security, cloud services, cyber security services, SEO optimization. So ensure the website is search engine optimized by incorporating. So this automatically ChatGPT came up with EPM for these keys. It will try to do an SEO optimization, home. Da, 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 da. Okay, fine. So create. I think it's too much of information. I hope it works. It's processing. So while it is doing, so this is the tool, and let me walk you through this tool. There is something called Superbase. Okay, what is doing? Thing 6 files creating modern. Yeah, it is working on it. So it created. So if you see here, it has already created home page, about page. None of the page is working. It's only it has created basic things. Index. And yeah, it works even in mobile. If you see mobile mode, these are the other things. Okay, so yeah, it's good. Basic one it has developed. Now let's do. We can now you can start working on this. So the basic framework, everything is done. Now let's understand the code. Where is the code? Oh, connect to GitHub. Let's connect to GitHub. Now let's drop the code into GitHub, install and all repositories. Okay, let me create one. Create repository. Indrasol.dev repository name. Indrasol website. Indrasol. Okay, Indrasol is available. Let it be public. Let me file create repository. Okay, I've created a folder called Indrasol. Now what I'll do is come here, edit code, connect to GitHub. Yeah, only you need to choose only select repository. You're seeing this additional window.
No, Satish.
Oh, you're not seeing additional window.
Maybe you can drag that pop-up to this window.
No, it's on that window.
Oh, really?
What
Okay,
I'll do
okay.
is let me share.
Yes, Satish. Yeah.
Yeah. So now, so this is the additional window. When I click on this connect to GitHub, this opened up. So what you need to do is first you need to create a GitHub and then create one folder where you need to put all these code, this code, whatever has been generated, right? So now you will get two options: all repositories, only select repositories. Just select. So automatically it took Indrasol here. Indrasol, give all the accesses, and then say install and authorize. So now Lovable is connected to GitHub. So this code will be pushed to GitHub. So this is very important connections you need to make. Otherwise, whatever the work you have done, it'll be stay for some time, but it'll be not stored at some point of time. It'll just they'll just delete it. Yeah, here they mentioned we don't keep a copy, handle your repository carefully to avoid losing your work. Okay. Transfer repository. What is this transfer repository? Okay. So let's see what it has done. Has it loaded everything? It hasn't loaded. Indrasol. So when will it load? Okay. Yeah, now it is creating, I think. Create in, yeah, now it has created. Reload. Or do I need to publish? Visibility and publish. Let me publish it and see public deploy. So when I click deploy, will it store? Or deployment, you need Netlify for this, yeah. Okay, so while it is doing, so there are multiple moving components. So this is one. Next thing is Superbase. Superbase is another one that is for any database interaction. You need to use Superbase. So you have a code repository in your traditional development. Definitely, you'll have GitHub. So we have connected uh, our editor, our GenAI editor to the GitHub. So all whatever development you do will be pushed to that. Next is database connectivity. Superbase is the database. It's a Postgres database, works in um, which works with Lovable. It is integrated, tightly coupled. Um, but at the same time, Superbase is also a separate redeploy. It's not working. So maybe we need to connect to Netlify. Wait, I think. Yeah. So Netlify connection we need to make to deploy it. Oh no, I can see here. So let me share this. I hope everybody will be able to see this. Getting started, nothing is there. So where shall I share? I'll just put it to. I just added to LinkedIn. You can just click on that link and then see whatever I developed just now. So we have connected. Um, we have connected to GitHub. But why is not loading repository? Oh, why did it take another one? I asked it to do it in GitHub. Okay. Okay. So I'm not sure something went wrong, or it has created Indrasol Prosperity Hub. Prosperity Hub. So under Indrasol, it has created one folder called Indrasol Prosperity Hub, and then it has dumped all the source code there. So this is our source code of Indrasol, whichever we have developed, like index.html. All these things are here. Got it? I hope you understood now. Now, so our code is safe. Automatically, it will get whenever you do any development here, it gets updated. Now, I just want to put yeah, you can start building over here. Now you can say before that, let me tell you, publish. There is something called so this comes with what it means is where is it? Yeah. So the number of prompts you can give here is only 5 per day. So it'll reset again next day. So there is a 24 hours timeline based on country you live in. So these people are from the developers are from Switzerland. Yeah, looks like yeah somewhere in that area. So just see when it gets reset. For me, for Pacific time zone, every 4 o'clock it gets reset. So every day you get five prompts. So you can do, I mean, which is free, which is more than enough. Only thing is you need to plan it properly, your prompts. So now I have 4 more prompts. In 4 more prompts, what I can do is like and yeah, let's do.
Under services, Satish, can you have a submenu for the three services we mentioned? Let's see if we can do it.
Yeah, it'll do it, no problem. So uh, yeah, add under services 3 sub menu. Add under services 3 sub menu. On which one we gave? On EPM managed services. So add under services 3 sub menu and put these services. Also build the services page. Okay. So that is one prompt. Now I have 3 more prompts. I want to do some kind of database activity. So you can do a lot of things with this, like payment gateway. It is so difficult to do payment gateway, right? It is just very easy to do payment gateway with this. All you need to do is just prompt it, please connect me to Stripe or any other payment gateway. It'll ask a set of questions. Do you have an account? So you need to provide the account details, and then also you need to just generate API key and provide it everything in the chat itself. So automatically it'll take and then configure. So if you see here, services, EPM managed services, and then cloud services, cybersecurity services. So under EPM managed services, it has built or what are the EPM managed services, cloud services, what has built all those things. Yeah. Yeah, you can keep on building, beautifying it. You can add. This is another great feature. I want to add Indrasol logo into this, so you can just say, "There is Indrasol." So take this logo, save, copy, download, save image as, under downloads, save. I don't know. It is AVF. Save images. I don't know. Something. Yeah. Let me take this screenshot of this logo, and then there is an attached. Just attach screenshot in the sol. Open. Add this Indrasol, add Indrasol logo to the header. So you just use your natural language. Header. And use logo color across to maintain to be in line with design. So I have only 3 more. I want to use for database connectivity. Okay, now let's switch. How come? So see, the logo is broken, right? You can say logo is broken. Broken. I don't see it. Fix it. All you need to say do is just say tell what needs to be done. I something wrong. Let me check the logo path and fix the broken image reference. I have updated the logo path to correctly. Seriously? Not sure why it is not picking the logo.
Because that prosperity folder is private, I think that's the reason.
Could be. No, but it'll tell, right? It'll tell if it is not able to cache it. Okay, so yeah, let's go to next step, that is connecting to Superbase and then adding some contact page. Uh, so this is database connection. Connect to Superbase. So we don't. So first is we need to create an account. Go to Superbase. Start your sign in. Yeah, continue with GitHub again. So better to connect GitHub so that everything is in one. Authorize Superbase. So first thing is create GitHub account. Once you create GitHub account, next step is open Lovable and then connect Lovable to GitHub. And next is create Superbase and then connect Superbase to GitHub. My org Indrasol. 3 months. So this will be, I think, 4 to 5 databases you can create, I think, which is free. Create organization. Create new organization, personal. You can rename your organization later. Why it is saying this all? This is your organization within Superbase. For example, you can use the name of your company and department. The project. Why? What's the name of your company or team? Okay, the Sol team. Personal free create exit cookie. Oh, something is broken. Indrasol team. Personal plan. Do I need to select? Yeah, 0. You can rename. Okay, letter fine. But why it is not allowing me to go to the next step? Seriously. For projects, new project. I'm not sure what's happening here, but yeah, let's see how it gets connected from this. Since we have already made connection, so go to Superbase, connect Superbase, authorize API access. Organization is needed for installing and integration. Create. Okay, so organization is not created. Something is going wrong. Maybe it has sent something which I didn't accept. GitHub. Okay. In Indrasol dev third party auth. Visit more information to see. Okay. So what's happening here? My org. Personal, educational. Okay. Create organization. You can rename. Has it created? All projects. Account preferences. Oh yeah. Authorized Lovable. Yeah, now Superbase is also created. So we have connected, see, it says connected, and then create new project, database, password, project name. Yeah, create new project name, Indrasol DB. Password, just give some password. Not okay, create new project. Okay, so yeah, it has created, we are in now. So now let me create a small contact. Let's do this. Some database action. Create create contact information, contact page, implement contact page information, add a form to submit, store the details in database, create a table, and provide me a admin page to view contact details. So this is very raw. I'll just go to chat GPT and then put create a prompt for what is this? Lovable dot so what it'll do is implement a professional functional contact page, contact information, contact form. Captcha GIF channel is not required. Database integration, contact submissions, admin page. Fill the form. So it also says form practices to database. Okay, this is good. I hope this works. I don't want captcha and all. Okay, then just go. So how many prompts I have? So with just 5 prompts, we can do a lot of things, right? So till this goes, I'll just show you what all I have built with this. So what did it do? I noticed that you are asking for quite a comprehensive contact system that includes. First, let's start by implementing the front end contact section. Then it is telling, okay, let's go step by step. Have implemented the front end contact section and contact page, all those things embedded. Okay, front end it has implemented, but I don't see it. Superbase, so already integrated to Superbase, right? Oh yeah, it has put here. I didn't say that it has to link it here. Yeah, that's nice. So it has created a contact page. It has created the sender's image. Oh, this is good one. Office location, San Francisco. Yeah, some dummy data it has put. Contact page. It has put this also. Oh yeah. Okay, now great. Now implement um, other things like DB connection when the form is entered. Stream interrupted, dismiss, or is it over? File thing is over. Is the source this Superbase? Oh, I think we passed our time. Yeah. So I'll just show you what all it has done. So I have created multiple websites just by using this. One of them is like secure AI agent. EB assistant is good. Let me show you EB assistant. So EB assistant, it's a website which I created. It has got a lot of great features. So I built all these things. Contact form, so it'll tell. So this is also, it is coming from the database. How many views, total, how many tools I have developed. So when I say get started, these are some of the tools which I have developed using this method. Like one of them is you can generate PDFs. So all you need to do is you can just select some high salary, put some description, and then drag and drop some kind of document. So this is some document. Is it very big? Yeah, this is a very big document. I don't want to go there. So adaptive product catalog. So it just merges images and any docs you provide. Um, so submit exhibit, and then you can download. So all these things it has only done, and I didn't write a single line of code. So you can say you can do this up and down. You can say whatever. I mean, this is just to align in which way you have to align, and then click on generate PDF. So what it will do is it will generate a PDF of all these files. So this is a simple tool. Like this, you can build so many tools just by prompts. Mm, not open. So yeah, if you see here, it has developed, generated this tool. I mean, this file. So I think this is the last one which I put, which it has taken. Yeah, I think open source question. Yeah. So this is how it does. You can do multiple things like this. Um, yeah. No error.
So one question, Satish, before problem, I think it is time also. I think this is excellent. One question is Lovable and Bolt. We looked at two things, right? So are they comparable or are they different from some aspect?
See, Lovable, it's again a no code tool.
Mhm,
This is also no code tool. It's a wrapper on top of editor. So basically, there is an editor inside, uh, uh, which will generate the code and all.
mhm.
So Bolt is also a wrapper around an editor. Um, so there is something called Cloud AI. So that is actual editor where they will give an editor and you can directly go there within the editor. You can start asking it the questions. So it is just a concept,
Mhm.
and these people have commercialized it. So ideally, we should be heading at the tools like that no code AI. That is the tool. It's an editor. It's very similar to our what,
VS Code.
yeah, it's very similar to VS Code.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's built on top of VS Code. So all you need to do is they have integrated this chat kind of functionality where you can chat with it and then it will start developing the application.
Got
So
it.
as I said, this is a new way of developing things, and it's a future of development, I would say. Right? So all these things
Yeah.
would take a hell a lot of time. I could do it within one session, right? To come to here, putting all these things, looks like it has created database also because I see when I submitted, it sent the message. This is Superbase. As it create tables? So this has got a database, everything. No, it has not created. So that functionality is not done, but I don't know to whom it sent the mail. Did it send me the mail? Okay, I don't say it. But yeah, all these things you can build it very fast. So we can connect to this database automatically. It will connect it to the database, and then all you just need to talk and then get things done. Yeah, I think we are over the time.
No problem. So this is tremendously helpful. Actually, whatever we did in this one session probably takes like a month, even for formatting, you know. So how to put, where to put this contact is how to show and all that. So much value and productivity.
Yeah.
Um, yeah. So one quick question before we leave. So you already built few apps that you
Mhm.
showed, list of apps, right? Those apps seems to be pretty functional too, right? You know, it
Yeah.
created PDF merger and document merger and all that, right?
Yeah.
So did you have to go to GitHub and change some code manually, or you completely build them using these tools as a prompt, using prompts?
Completely using prompts. GitHub manually I did because there are only 5 things, right? So
Mhm.
UI changes and all directly you can go to the GitHub or they
Mhm.
provide GitHub editor. You can go make some changes UI related because you don't want to waste on the prompts. Uh, so yeah, it's completely on no code. So just natural language, it'll start generating it.
But if we have unlimited prompts, like a plan or something like that, then people don't even have to know the code actually, right? They can do
That,
pretty much
yeah,
everything.
correct.
That's damn powerful. Okay. Thank
Uh,
you. Thank you,
tomorrow,
Satish. Hmm.
yeah, tomorrow we will see how to integrate with LLMs. That is different session. So yeah, so yeah, let's do that tomorrow.
Cool. Sounds good.
Okay, thanks everybody. I think
Yep,
hope
no
you
problem.
hope you
But
guys
it's
like it, but
tremendously helpful.
definitely I want
Thank
you.
you. Hmm.
Yeah, I want everybody to just try this once.
Right. Yep. Yep.